Yo, what is going on, guys? I hope you're all having an amazing day today. Also, if you're new to this channel, then welcome and thank you for stopping by. By the way, after this video, I would recommend to check out the link that's right over there somewhere if you guys want to learn more about how you could participate on my free monthly giveaway with a fun little mini game. More in the description will be down below if you guys are interested in that. But anyways, without further ado, let's get you all set up and ready to roll.
So first things first, let's head over to Google's homepage. By the way, I put a link to this page in the description down below to save you guys some time. So once you're here, click on create an account in the top right corner and let's get started. Now the next step is to type in your first and last name. I'll show you how you can change them at the end of the video if you ever need to. I'm just going to be making a fake account and just deleting it at the end. So let's see here. For the first name, I guess I'll go with Big and the last name will be E. This should show as Big E on my profile page later on. As for the username, which is your account or Gmail, I'll name it Boom Shakalaka. Yep, I'm feeling so creative today. Huh? How was that taken? No way. I think the right question would be, why is it taken? I'll try to be a little bit original and make it into OG Boom Shakalaka. Oh cool, so that worked. I guess Google agrees with me being the OG, huh? Well, back to the tutorial. For the password, you'll need a minimum of 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once that's done, click on the next button. Now on this page, I'm not going to be adding my phone number here, but I do think that you should if you're planning on making an account that you will be using. I'm making a fake account right now, so I'll be skipping this step. Again, I would recommend the recovery email as well, even though it's optional, just in case you forgot your password. And once you're done with that, type in your birthday over here. I'm just going to be putting random dates and see if it lets me through. Oh, I didn't expect to let me type in letters. Let's try something real quick and see if it rejects it. Let's see here. For the day, we'll go with the 41st. Yep. We use a different calendar where I come from. Just kidding. And then for the year, let's go with 1000, cause you know, Big E gotta be old. Anyways, choose your gender and then click on next when you're done. Oh, and by the way, I don't think Google's gonna let me go through with this. Yep, there it is. Surprise, surprise. Okay, let's change the date into the 31st. Nah, hold on a second. I don't like odd numbers. Let's go 22. Okay, and then for the year, let's go with 1999. Or how about 1969? I like that a lot better. What do you guys think? Anyways, I don't know if this is a tutorial anymore. Let's just keep going. Well, now would you look at that? Looks like we're finally done. Yeah, just kind of skim over this really quick if you want to, or you could just do what I did and just slap that agree button. Well, now we're for real done. But if you want to see how you could change your account's password or your account's first and last name, go to your profile picture and click on Manage Your Google Account. So here's your account's profile, first and last name, and here are all the settings we can play around with. Let's go to personal info, and then from this page you can pretty much change things like your account's password, your account's profile name, contact information, phone number, and things like that. Anyway, so that about concludes today's video on how to make a Google account and how to change your personal info with just a bonus. Hope you all had fun and a good laugh.
Well, that's it for the tutorial on how to make a Google account. Feel free to ask any questions that you might have down in the comment section. Also, please consider liking and subscribing if you found this information helpful or at least somewhat funny. As always, thank you all for watching and have an amazing rest of your day.